In the meantime, the Prime Minister says the security forces have perfected the zones of special operations, ZOSO, as a crime-fighting measure and are ready to implement it in other communities. Andrew Holness gave an update on the program in the House of Representatives. Mount Salem in St. James and Denham Town in West Kingston are the two communities which have the security measure in place.
In the 577 days before the zone was declared, there was a total of 17 murders, 29 shootings, 2 cases of rape, 3 cases of robbery. Since the declaration of the zone of special operation for the 577 days, 0 murders, 0 shootings, 1 aggravated assault, 2 cases of rape. In Denham Town, for the 532 days before the zone was declared, there were 31 murders, 44 shootings, 2 cases of aggravated assault, 7 cases of rape, 7 cases of robbery, 5 break-ins, and no case of larceny was reported. And after the zone was declared for the first 532 days, we saw where there were 12 murders, 10 shootings, 3 cases of aggravated assault, 9 cases of rape, 3 cases of robbery.
Mr. Holness did not give a timeline for when additional ZOSOs would be declared or in which communities. However, he said the government had taken note of the spike in murders in parts of Clarendon, Westmoreland and St. Andrew. The House voted to extend the ZOSOs for another 90 days.